Hey guys, I'm bringing you another short on how I apply the Meggaband. Now, in case you guys don't know, the Meggaband is the glueless wig strap I designed to give closures and frontals that glueless look. It's made out of quality material, out of spandex and nylon. I included also needle and thread so you don't poke, big holes in your frontal. And here I'm just demonstrating how you sew the edges down. And the needle I included is very small and fine to ensure that you don't poke big holes in your frontal or your wig lace. Now you could do one go over, but for more security you can double back and do a second and go over it the second time. Then at the end I'll just tie a double knot, and that's it. That's it pretty much. And like I said, the material is nice and soft. It's soft on your skin. I included a Velcro fastener. So like how you line up the band, make sure that changing faces is upside right. Like in the video here, like looking at you. So you know for sure that you'll have that softer side of the Velcro against your skin and the more abrasive side away from your skin. But it's a very, very durable and secure, and it's adjustable. All you have to do is just reattach the Velcro. You can do it tighter or not so tight. Whatever your need is. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Always. I did a second wig just to show you again. On this one though, I brought the needle down too far. Like, you'll make mistakes. And it's an easy fix because it's a little knot. Like once you put, I included a little knot at the end of the thread for you to simplify your sewing. All you gotta do is just cut that knot off and reapply another knot if you make a mistake, if you see that you made a mistake. But it's easy. You see little hairs, little strands of hairs getting caught up in the thread. I'll just pull it out like it's no big deal. But once you apply this, like, you're gonna thank me. Your closure is gonna lay flush, flat. Now whether you have a 4-inch, 6-inch, 7-inch, or frontal. I'm gonna upload another video of me installing it on a frontal. And it's very important, guys, like when you're installing your bands, whether you get a Meggaband or not, always use fine thread and fine needles. Because if you think about it, like, you're going to be applying tension on your lace frontals, and you don't want big holes made by these needles and the thread. And that's why I included the thread as well, needle and thread as well, so you don't have to mess up your lace. Just like that, you apply your knots. I normally do like 2 knots too, just to secure it. And if I pair scissors or thread scissors, and just cut it like so, and you're done. You can apply, you can attach the Velcro, then put it on your head. If it's too big or too small, you can just readjust. Just like that. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, please.